Next step is very important. Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you the right step-by-step process to create CIBC GIC account for international students and also by using Indian currency. I've shared a way to save money while creating your GIC account. So let's get started. Start by searching ISBO CIBC. Select the first option ISBO. Also, I've mentioned link in description below. The following page will show you step 1 of opening the account. Here, select Student GIC Program. You can select any amount between 10,000 to 20,000 Canadian dollars. Here, enter $10,000. Then we will select our country. As I'm from India, I'll select the same. But you have to select the country you are citizen of. Now let's scroll down. Now we can see payment option. We will select INR as the mode of payment. Now let's click on select. After selecting, you have to finish all steps in 20 minutes. Now click on student information. After clicking student information, you will be directed to step 2. There, you have to write your first name and last name. Make sure you are filling the details according to passport. Now, for title, you have to select Mr. for male, Mrs. for married female, Miss for unmarried female, and MX for transgenders. On your right hand side, you can see a box with no last name. If you don't have a last name, tick there. Next, we will see boxes with first name and last name in home country. We have to keep it as it is. And moving forward, you can see school. Here, you have to select the institution you have applied to. If it's not listed, you have to select other. We will now select program of study. Here, select your field of study. If you can't decide or see your program, select graduate program not listed. After selecting that, we will write our student IDs. The student ID is the number which will be given on your letter of acceptance that you received from college or university. Now, let's move on to tentative arrival date. The date can be anywhere from a week to 15 days prior to your program beginning. Same goes for tentative graduation date. As you know, tentative means estimated or expected, so don't worry much. Moving forward, what is the intended use of this account? You have to keep it as it is, that is, education or child's education. For your occupation category, it should be student. Same goes for your occupation description. Detailed description of your occupation is to be kept as it is. And the last question, is this account to benefit a third party? So the answer, you have to select no. For admission letter, you have to attach a PDF of your letter of acceptance. Now, letter of acceptance is the letter that you receive from your university after you have paid the fees. Now, after you scroll down, you can see student contact details. From here, you will need passport. Firstly, fill up address details according to passport. If you don't have street number, you can use house or apartment number as street number. You don't have to worry about address too much. Just make sure they are according to passport. Now, you have to write down your phone number and email address. The email ID will be needed for signing in. So select one which you use regularly and then proceed to password. The password should be minimum 8 characters with one capital and one small letter along with a special character such as exclamation or and. Write down your email and password in your notes to keep it handy. After you scroll down, you will see passport details. For passport details, keep passport with you. Now we will write down passport number, issue date, expiry date, country of citizenship, and date of birth accordingly. Now, next step is very important. Let's take a look at referral details. Here, you will get free $25 as signing up bonus if you fill the section. So watch it carefully. For how did you hear about us? Select friends and family. For details, write down YouTube. For are you applying through referral program? Select yes. After doing that, you will see email address of referrer. Write the email yashgdps@gmail.com. I repeat, the email address is YASHJIDPS@gmail.com. To show you the proof of free $25, let's go to the page. As you can see, get $25 when you refer a friend. You'll get a $25 bonus when they transfer money to an international student GIC program account. Your friend will earn a $25 refer bonus. So you'll get a $25 means you will get 25 and I will get $25. So if you use the code, we will both be getting $25 for free. So don't forget this to get guaranteed free money. Moving to next step, additional info for INR A2 form. Here, select the bank you are going to pay GIC money from. Now write down account number. An important thing to remember is that the account should be in student's name. You can't pay GIC money using someone else's account. The funds must come directly from your account only. If you don't have sufficient balance in your account, ask your family to send funds to student's bank account and then you can send the final payment using the student's account. Write down PAN number of the student. If the student doesn't have it, they can use their parent's PAN number instead. Now, let's scroll a bit. The next part is declaration. Let's tick on the first option. Here, we have to select no. And for the last three options, let's select them all. Now, let's scroll a bit more and select the payment summary option. You will be redirected to step 3, which is summary. Here, you have to see the details are correct and then scroll at the end and then you will see two boxes. After verifying, click on the box and select Submit. You will see a thank you page with your reference code. After getting this, within 15 to 45 minutes, you will receive an email saying Application Received. This is how the email will look like. After 2 to 3 business days, you will see an email which will let you know about payment instructions. You will get an email saying CIBC International Student Banking Offer Action Required. Now in your email, you will see a link like this. You have to select the link and go to the portal. After logging in, you can see a page like this. To download payment instruction letter, click on Print Instruction Sheet and your instruction letter will be downloaded. Your payment instruction letter will look something like this. It will have all the details of the account you have to send the money to and the amount that you are supposed to send. At the end of page 1, you can see a blue box which will have ISBO and GIC codes. They will be unique for each and every one. They are not compulsory, but you can write them so that the bank can track your funds faster. The codes must be written in field number 70. If you cannot locate it, you should ask the manager and he can help you with it. Now after sending the funds, you have to wait for maximum 4 to 5 business days. After that, you will receive an email like this, which will be having the title CIBC International Student Banking Offer Wire Transfer Received. Here in this email, you can see the status as processed. After that, you have to click on URL and it will redirect you to the portal. After logging into the website, you have to click View Details. After that, scroll down and download the welcome letter and investment advice letter. Your welcome letter will look something like this. You have to download this and take a printout of it. So once you land in Canada, you will need this for activating your GIC account, as this will be asked by the bank teller. Your investment advice letter will look something like this. You have to attach this to your visa application file. So that ends the GIC process. But stay with me, we will have a look at some FAQs. So the question is, what is the code? Can I use it multiple times? And what's the validity? To answer that, the refer code YASHJIDPS@gmail.com. It is valid for lifetime and you can use it multiple times. Also, if you use it, you would get $25 CAD for absolutely free. And without it, there will be no bonus. Should I go to the bank to transfer money or is it possible to transfer it online? To answer it, if your bank supports online transfer, then you can do online NEFT or RTGS. However, I would suggest by going to the bank and paying it there by NEFT or RTGS will be easier and you can get manager's help too. Can I pay my GIC to CIBC from my family's bank account? To answer that, no, you cannot. If you do so, your GIC will be rejected. The funds must come directly from your bank account. You can ask your family to transfer the fund beforehand. Will I also be getting CIBC debit and credit card in Canada? Yes, you will be getting both, and the limit of credit card would be 1000 Canadian dollars. How long does it take normally to receive the certificate? So it takes maximum 4 business days, but usually they send it within 72 business hours. How much money will I get on arrival? Let's say that you deposited 10,000 Canadian dollars for GIC, which is usually maximum students do. Then you would get $2,000 immediately into your account. And for the rest $8,000, you can opt to choose $666 for next 12 months, where you would be getting $666 every 30 days. Or you can get $1,000 every 45 days. The bank teller will ask you which option do you prefer. You can tell them preference over there. How to contact CIBC Bank. Here are the contact details. You can write to them and they will respond within 48 business hours. If you have any more doubts, you can comment down below. A like and share to this video would be highly appreciated as it took me a lot of hard work to make this video. And make sure to use the refer code to get signed up bonus. All the best for your journey in Canada. Thank you for watching.